In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install the Adobe Acrobat on your computer for free. You have to open this website filecr.com. In this website, click on this search products box and type here Acrobat and search using Acrobat. As a search results, here you will find Acrobat app for Windows and Mac operating system. If you're a Windows user, then you have to download this Adobe Acrobat Reader. And here you can see the file size. So let's download it. Here just click on direct download. Click to download. And here you can see the Adobe Acrobat is now downloading. Once downloaded, go to your file explorer, come to downloads, and here you find this Adobe Acrobat installer. Just double click on it to start installation process, just like this. Here click on install. Once you're successfully installed, click on finish, and here you'll find Adobe Acrobat. Just open it, click on accept, and now you can easily go ahead and use the latest version of Adobe Acrobat for completely free. As you can see, that's it.